My name's Dan Talamantez, and I'm a lead technician. Yeah, I like being out in the field, working with my hands, building stuff, fixing things, So if I would have got started in this right after high school, I probably would have been farther along now. I already had my master's. It's hard work, but if you enjoy hands-on and learning something new every day, then it's a great field to be into.
My name is Tim Burns, and I'm a senior electrical estimator. I started as a helper for electricians, and then after a few years, the company offered me a junior electrical estimator position. You have many opportunities when you start out in the field. You've got apprenticeship programs, company sponsored, they'll pay for that as well.
You just keep advancing yourself, It goes to journeyman and the masters, then eventually contractors. So you can always move up in it. It's never like a dead-end job.
Being a tradesman would be a great route to go. There's a huge demand for them right now, and it's a great opportunity.